Hello, it's Chen Chen. I haven't talked to you guys in a while. I miss you too. Today we're making a dress. Of course, like what else can I do, right? Let me show you my design. I've been watching some vintage movie recently, like 50s movie, 40s movie, 60s movie, something like that. I've been getting inspired from these movies. Check out this cute little design. And the fabric we got here is, the fabric here we got is 3 meters of pink stripes. I don't know how to describe this kind of fabric. This cotton but blended with something else, okay? And I don't know, maybe polyester. It's a little bit see-through. You can almost see my hand, right? So that's that. And I got 3 meters of tools because I'm thinking about making a hoop skirt or a petticoat, however you like to call it. I have no idea. Let's get started. These are my pieces, looking so good. I'm going to sew them together right now. You guys, I'm taking a break and eating some dragon fruit. I must say I really like this lipstick color. It's very natural, isn't it? Oh, also, I'm watching The Wicked.
What? No. That was the milk flower's fault.
Tomorrow.
Good morning. Let me show you what I have finished last night. So here are the pieces. That's a lining, and this is the cup. It's already lined. And for the skirt, I have 2 full circles. So today I'm going to attach the skirt with the bodice together, and then probably I have to cut and sew the lining for the skirt part and also make a petticoat or hoop skirt. Yeah, so that's my plan today. Let's get started. All right, this is what I have so far. Not bad, but I do have a vision. It's going to look better than this. So let's keep going. You guys, before I attach the lining to the dress, I want to show you this. Isn't it so cute as well? Oh my god. Like, it's looking like a cute little nightgown. Like, ooh, I so should make this, right?
Later.
Already, I just come back from picking up my package. I just bought some lace trim. From the size of this package, I can say that I bought too much. But anyway, let's open them together. It's been a long day. I think, what time is it now? I think it's 5 p.m. Wait, let me see what time is it now. It's 5:28 and I'm pretty tired. All day today I was sewing back there and didn't do much else. And I still did not finish the dress. But this is pretty much my everyday. Anyway, first one. This is so cute. I should buy more ribbons so that it go through from the hose. I think this one should go, oh here. I think this one, I want to put it on the top of the cups, and looks like something like this would be nice, isn't it? Yep, just like that. Looking ridiculous now. Let's open up this pink one, shall we? Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Wow, 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 I love it. And this is a lot. Next, blue. Let's open it up. Wow, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This I'm thinking maybe go to the bottom of the skirt would be nice, but I don't know. We'll see. Love it. Another white one. Gee, how much did I buy? I have no idea. Like, I bought so much. Okay, another little white one. Cute. Very, very nice. Again, a lot. And another blue. Don't want to open this up, but it is very cute. You see? Okay. Awesome. And the last one. Did I buy this? What is this? Is this a collar or something? I don't think I bought this. Maybe this is a free gift. But it's cute, isn't it? It's cute, yeah. Nice. I got 4 of these. Nice. That is all. Aww. A little note. Hope you could shining bright, doing what you love. I put it on my fridge right next to San Antonio and the mat. Alright, I'm gonna work on the dress tonight and hopefully I can finish it, and tomorrow I can film the review for you guys. See you there! Guys, I had so much fun making this dress. I'm really glad that I added the lace details here and the sleeves. It really leveled it up. This dress took me almost 4 days to finish it because I wanted to be perfect. Even the inside is so aesthetic pleasing. I know no one else would know about that, but it brings me joy every time when I reach for this dress. That's the whole point, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, here is my Instagram. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!